Today I am installing a boutique top-down bottom-up cellular shade that's motorized from Blinds Galore. So when I moved into my apartment, there were mini blinds in the kitchen above the sink. Because I wanted privacy, I couldn't keep the existing blinds, so I decided to get something that would give me privacy day and night and also allow me to have light come through. So something that drops down from the top but still has the main walkway where people walk back and forth closed worked out really well with a top-down bottom-up. Because it's above the sink and because it's a heavier shade, I decided I'd go ahead and tape it off with blue tape and mark the 3 sections that I needed to hang the brackets. So I went ahead and did that, and that looks like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and place those brackets now. And they're in. My Blinds Galore Boutique Cellular shades are light filtering, they're insulating, and that top-down bottom-up option provides me privacy while also allowing a lot of sunshine into my office space. And with the added bonus of motorization, I can just change the settings and raise or lower my shade with the touch on a remote. It was so easy to install, and I'm so happy with the results. Thanks so much, Blinds Galore.